In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop your video clip in Premiere Pro. First, in the upper left corner here, you'll see Effect Controls. If you don't have that, hold the Shift key and press 5. Now, click on the actual video clip, and this will open up settings for that video clip in the upper left corner. Now, press Shift 7 and open up Effects tab at the bottom here in the lower left corner. Start typing crop. Then once you see it on the screen, drag and drop this crop effect directly on the video clip that you want to crop in Premiere Pro. Now, in the upper left corner, if you drag these left, up, right, and bottom sliders, you'll be adding this black border around your video, which is basically the same as cropping the video. Now, you can use these controls to crop in a shape, like an ellipse or a box. But this is just the basic tutorial just to show you how to access crop video controls in Premiere Pro.